Hey, peace fam, what's going on? This day 2, and I'm gonna show you 3 tips that's gonna help you on your YouTube journey. If you missed the video I did yesterday, then please, just go check it out. But anyway, let's get into it. The first thing I want to talk about is, hey, you doing YouTube? Cool. I look at things from a business perspective. So I'm gonna share with you this. Business owners, business people look at things from a logical perspective and a numbers perspective. Okay? Consumers are triggered based on emotions and their subconscious mind. Now, let's get into that. So today I'm just going to be talking about if you are making the best videos or you have the best product or service and nobody knows who you are or where to find you, you're not going to get any viewers. You're not going to sell any products. You're not going to make no money. You're not going to get any traffic. You have to drive traffic when you're dealing with this online world. Okay. So I did talk about keywords and things of that nature, but today I'm going to be specifically talking about colors. If you don't know how colors trigger emotions, and I put this graphic up. My bad. Yesterday I didn't put the graphic. I said I was going to put up, but today I got you, family. All right. So just this is just a general. You can look at other ones. Just Google it and kind of figure some things out, and it could contribute to how you want to actually do your logo as well. All right. Now keep this in mind. Just because this information I'm telling you might sound funny, especially if it's your first time hearing this type of stuff, I don't look at things from a good and bad perspective, but I may say that just for a lack of better words, or so people can really grasp what I'm saying. I look at things from a moral and a moral perspective. Any information can be used on both sides of the coin. So it's a duality to it. So yes, people trigger your emotions. That's what they do. That's why you get caught up into everything that's going on around you. It triggers you, whether it's something that you felt you've been through, or it's just for whatever reason, and you may not realize it, but look at it like that. Okay. So blue is going to be representing trust. Mainly banks might have that color, people dealing with money. Green might represent health. Red is bold, it stands out, like a stop sign, like a traffic light. So it's automatically going to grab your attention because we're programmed already to stop for red. Okay. And then that red pair with that yellow, you see that a lot of places. Some of your favorite restaurants and stuff are going to be using a combination of red and yellow, just because they know it's going to trigger you. So it's like you may not even be hungry, or that may be you just looking at the options and you look at that sign, see that red sign, and boom, you're going to go to that one. OK, so just get that in your mind, and that's just the way it works. So when you're making your thumbnails and your logos and your stuff like that, then people tend to look at what people tend to click on, and the emotion you want their subconscious to actually feel by seeing that text or that background or whatever it may be. All right. So the second thing I actually want to talk about is don't get analysis paralysis. What does that mean? So I did say yesterday, you need to do some research before you're jumping into doing your thing, because you want to know what you're getting into. You want to know how to model it, but don't take too much time on it. You're going to learn the more that you do. OK, it's like this. So the person who has all the information, the knowledge, but has never applied it is not going to be as successful as a person who just jumps out there and starts doing massive action. OK, success likes massive action. Success likes quick action. So don't get too caught up. OK, don't get too caught up in this particular process. Just study a little bit, do some research, make your outlines, make your points, and you will get better with this as you go on. Analysis paralysis is a real thing. You may have been scared to start your business, your journey, whatever it is you're doing, but now is a perfect time with everything going on. A light bulb should go off in your head while you should be actually doing these things. Okay. And the third thing I actually had for you was get comfortable being uncomfortable. Well, what does that mean? Look, some of the most successful artists, singers, music performers, rappers, whatever it is that you're into, they get butterflies before each and every concert. They get nervous before each and every performance. All right. And it's not until you go on stage and that music hit and you have to snap into that zone and you're like, all right, cool, I'm in my groove, I'm in my rhythm. Because there's so much stuff going on in their mind about, am I going to mess up this choreography? Am I going to mess up these words? Am I going to slip and fall? Is all this stuff right? So all that's it. So a lot of stage performers or people who do live performances, every performance they get butterflies. But some of these people are your favorite celebrities, artists, or very talented people in general, and they do it all the time. So get comfortable with that feeling. It's okay. All right. You don't want to make videos with yourself on, but if you're branding yourself, it's something that you should do. Going live. If you're scared to go live and talk to people, that's the quickest way to connect with people. And if we're talking about from a business standpoint, it's the quickest way to sell people. And just being transparent with you is the quickest way to connect with people. When people know, like, and trust you, and they know that you're not a scam and you like real people, I'm saying be authentic, be yourself. Okay, but don't be afraid to do these things. And will there be people that disagree with you or don't like you? Yes, there will, but you're not worried about them. You just worry about your tribe. You just worry about the people who resonates with you and the information that you're giving. They will find you. The more that you constantly create, they're going to see you. They're going to feel your energy. So don't be afraid to get out there and do it. And I don't care how many people are talking about what you're talking about. Somebody wants to hear it from you. All right. So I hope that helps somebody. 3 tips to help you build up your YouTube foundation, or any business matter for that, any online business or anything like that for that nature. So if this helped you out, man, make sure you hit that like button. Peace.